Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, yung pusa ko, hinahanap niya, pinagmamasdan niya kung saan lalabas yung mouse. Yan, mag-hide and seek sila. Ayan. Yan guys, paborito niya yung laruin. Yan. Sinusundan niya kung saan pupunta. Yan. Hello, meow. Meow. You find the mouse. Hurry up. Hurry, hurry. Hi, Bina. Where is the mouse? Fighty, Fighty. You find the mouse. Ayan. 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 Naging active na siya. Ayan. Active na si Wawaw. Wawaw ang pangalan niya guys. Kasi hindi siya nagsasalita ng meow, kundi ang sagot lagi niya sinasabi wow, wow, kaya pinangalanan siyang Wawaw, parang Chinese name din siya, wow. Yan naging active na siya. Ayan enjoy siya dyan. Ayan. He want to catch the mouse. Ayan. Already hiding. Hurry up. Nakakatuwa to guys yan pag naglalaro enjoy talaga siya, tsaka talaga mahilig siyang maglaro. Yan. Hurry up. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe and like my video kung nagustuhan nyo guys. Thank you sa mga nanonood. Thank you for watching. Yan na guys. You almost got. Hurry up, it's almost done.
Thanks for watching.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching. The mouse is hiding.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye guys. Thank you.